This is JC with FX Insights at CIS Trading. In focus, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. We're not exactly looking at the trade position that we have. We're long from the 91.12 area again. What I'm going to focus on, though, is something that I've set up called the ICE Qualitative Mean Buy-Sell Analysis. What we're looking at is a comparison between the actual price on the candles. So let me explain that first. Our candles are not color schemed. They're not color coded. There's no indicator value changing the colors on the candles. So they're not algorithmic color schemed candles. The light gray is close above open. That's bullish. And the dark gray candles are close below open. That's bearish. What you're seeing with the colors is a qualitative analysis of the ICE markets compared with this currency pair. So if you see blue, you're looking at sell pressure. When you see green, you're looking at buying pressure. And you can see the difference between where you are in price and what's actually occurring in the underlying intercontinental exchange markets. If you look to the right-hand side of the chart at the price labels, where your predominant signal is the top price label. If it's blue, it's sell. If it's green, it's a buy. And you can see right now we have a little bit of selling pressure in the ICE market. When that blue label goes up, you'll have a tick come up. And see how you saw that blue tick on the wick? Where that blue tick was up on the wick, where the ICE market's overextended the depth of the candle, the market depth of our current candle. When that happens, there's some selling pressure that comes in. And then we're under a buy condition still, and typically what will happen is the price will go toward that condition one way or the other, whether it's a buy or sell. So right now this is a long trade. We're looking at the 1 minute chart. What I'll do very quickly is turn on the CIS GG Prometrics Trading View Toolkit algorithm. I'm going to turn that on very quickly. And you can see that changes our candle colors to the light green, light blue color scheme. You can see our buy sell arrows on the algorithm. Again, this is the 1 minute chart. So we have on our Prometrics, we show a sell signal, and you can see even though the conditions are bullish and we have some buying in the ICE market, you can see where the ICE market ticks down below the threshold of the actual exchange price. So what we can see is we can see a sell condition. It's not a Prometric reversal. Let me slide this chart over just a little bit. It's not a Prometric reversal, so our third bar didn't go below our first bar off of that peak. But we do have a slight sell condition. So the ICE markets we just came in with a tick down on the ICE markets, and you can see that. So what this is for is being able to not only gain a more accurate view of the qualitative value of the exchange by doing a qualitative mean analysis, but it gives you sort of a buy-sell condition relative to the dominant exchange between the current price and the intercontinental exchange markets. So you can see a comparative analysis of it. With the algorithm up, you can see the sell condition, but under this condition, we're still showing some buying in the ICE markets as well as a long position signal between our two price labels. So when I'm looking at those two price labels, the one that's on top is the dominant condition. So when the ICE market goes up to a sell, you can see it puts a little bit of pressure, and then now it's back at a buy. So we'll watch this for just another few seconds. Again, I'm JC with the Trading View Toolkit from CIS Trading, and this is FX Insights.